In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page color in Microsoft Word Online. If you want to give your document a different background color, Microsoft Word Online makes it easy to change the page color directly from your browser. This can be useful when you want your document to have a different appearance or when you're preparing a document for a specific purpose. First, open Microsoft Word Online and open the document where you want to change the page color. Once the document is open, make sure you are working in the editing view so you can access the available formatting options. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of the Word Online window. Find the option for changing the page color. Depending on the version or layout of Word Online that you're using, this option may be available through the formatting controls or additional options in the toolbar. Select the page color option to view the available colors. You should see a selection of colors that you can apply to the page. Take a moment to look through the available choices and select the color you want to use. When you select a color, Word Online will apply that color to the page background. You can then check the document to see how the new page color looks with your existing text and other content. If you decide that you prefer another color, simply return to the page color option and choose a different one. You can change the page color as needed until you get the appearance you want. When choosing a page color, keep readability in mind. A darker background can make black text harder to read, while a lighter background can provide better contrast. For documents that are meant to be easy to read or print, a subtle color may be a better choice. It is also important to remember that changing the page color affects the appearance of the document page, not the color of the text itself. Your existing text and other content will remain in place while the page background changes. Once you're satisfied with the selected color, you can continue editing your document normally. Word Online saves your changes as you work, so your updated page appearance will remain part of the document. And that's how you can change the page color in Microsoft Word Online. With just a few clicks, you can adjust the background of your document and give it the appearance you want. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,